Mamma mia. Where is my platform? This station is too big. I am totally lost. I need to find the information booth. Excuse me, where is the information booth?
Boot? Sir, do you mean footwear? A shoe shop?
No, the booth that gives information. I need help.
Ah, you mean the information booth, not boot. Booth with the sound.
Information booth, not boot. My tongue is lazy.
Perfect. The information booth is right over there.
Thank you very much. I will go to the booth right now.
Booth, booth. Boot, boot.